All right, so I'm going to show you how to find and use open educational resources. So to start, I just want to show you a resource where you can find a list of resources. So this is edtechbooks.org, K-12 Educational Technology Handbook. And they have a nice chapter on open educational resources. And a little more than halfway down, there's a nice list of places to find images and videos and audio and educational courses and such. So you can go directly to these sites, but I want to show you how to search. So let's say I wanted to do the CC search, Creative Commons search. I really like this search tool because it makes it really easy to find and use content. So let's say I want to create some type of slide. I'm going to do like a collage of elephants. So I want an elephant picture. I could even do audio and video, although I'm not sure if those work yet. So this gives me a lot of different elephant pictures. I can filter. So I can filter by the type of license I want. But let's just say I like this license. So I can see here that in order to use this, I need to credit the creator. I have to use a non-commercial use, so I can't earn money off of it. And if I make any adaptations or if I use this image in something, I have to share that thing under the same terms. Okay, so that's important. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. I'm going to right click and copy image. That's how you do it on a PC. And I'm going to come to, this is my slide about elephants, and I'm just going to paste it here. And Microsoft wants to tell me how to do it. All right, and I'm going to just line that up there. There's my elephants. Now, I have to credit the creator. So how I do that is right under credit the creator. I just click copy, and then I can just paste it on here. And usually I make the text a little bit smaller because it comes in really big, and you just put it right under the image. That's what you have to do. So it's really easy when you use the Creative Commons search. There are other ways to search. So for example, this is in Google. So if I actually just go to Google here and I search elephant, I can search Google Images, except for this will also show me images that are copyrighted. So I need to go to Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons Licenses, and then it'll show me pictures that are licensed. So I really like this one a lot. And this is from Wikimedia Commons. Now, I don't know what the license is on here, so I have to actually go to the image and see. So this is Wikimedia. This is the image. I can choose different sizes of the image. If I use a big image, it takes up a lot more memory. But if I use too small of an image, it can be blurry. So I just have to choose based on what I'm doing. Let's just choose the 512 pixel. And I'm going to copy. You can also save it. And I'm going to add that to my nice slide of elephants here. And if I look at the license, I come down here, here's the licensing. It says that I must add attribution, give appropriate credit, and I need to share alike. Okay, so within Wikimedia, when I download it, it has this attribution right here that I can copy. All right, so that makes it pretty easy from Wikimedia, at least. I can copy that. I can make it smaller. Sometimes I might, it has this code right here for the site. I might take that out sometimes. I don't think you have to have that, but that works. All right. So let's say that I choose something that, sorry, I keep closing that accidentally. Let's say that I choose something from another website like Flickr. So here's a Flickr image. I'm going to go here. Now Flickr has a lot of Creative Commons licenses, images and such, but you have to use it in certain ways. So I'm going to go ahead and download the image. I'm going to do a medium. And if I were to use this on my slide, it says here, this little person here means that I have to add attribution. But there's nowhere here to just copy the attribution. So if I go to openwa.org, openwashington.org, they have an open attribution builder you can use to create your own attribution. So I look at the image, it's called Big Elephant, and this is the URL I'm going to copy for the image. So this is big elephant. It's an interesting picture. Here's the URL. I didn't even notice it when I first did it. And then here's the author, Arno Mayantes. And if I right click, I can copy this link address to his personal page. So I would add the name. I'm just going to write Arno from now to take a shortcut, but you would put the whole name, and I would put the URL. Now I have to look at the license. So on Flickr, I actually have to click here to see the full license. I can see it's BYNC Share Alike 2.0. So here, BYNC Share Alike, and it's 2.0. And then I can take this and I can Control-C copy that, and I can also add that to my slide, except I didn't include that picture. All right, so now let's say that I created this and I'm going to put it on my website. It's going to be something openly available to the public. So I need to make sure that I am following this share alike license, and I have to use at least as restrictive. So that means that I have to make it non-commercial, share alike, and BY. So I need to create my own license, and there's different ways to do this. I can use Creative Commons itself has a license builder, but I think it's actually easier just to find the image itself. So sometimes I just write CC BY NCSA, and I can find the image, and that's the image I need right there. So I can just copy that image right there, and I can just add it to my slide. And then that just tells other people that if they're going to use this, they have to add these same attributions in on it. Okay, so that's how you find and use images. There are some other ways too, but I think those are the easiest. So thanks for watching.